Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing why the Earth is not pulled into the Sun's gravity. We all know that the Sun's gravity is one of the strongest forces in our solar system, but still, the Earth and other planets are not pulled into it. So, let's find out why. Gravity is the force that attracts objects with mass towards each other. The strength of gravity depends on the mass of the objects and the distance between them. The Sun has a massive gravitational pull due to its enormous mass, and the Earth is constantly moving in its orbit around the Sun. So, why doesn't the Earth fall into the Sun? The answer lies in the Earth's motion. The Earth is not just moving around the Sun, it's also moving forward. It has a velocity that keeps it moving in a straight line. This velocity is balanced by the gravitational pull of the Sun, which curves the Earth's path into an elliptical orbit. This means that the Earth is constantly falling towards the Sun, but it's also moving forward at the same time, which keeps it from falling into the Sun. Another factor that prevents the Earth from falling into the Sun is its distance from the Sun. The Earth is about 93 million miles away from the Sun, which is a safe distance for us. If the Earth were any closer to the Sun, the gravitational pull would be stronger, and the Earth's orbit would be unstable. Lastly, the Earth is not the only object in the solar system that is affected by the Sun's gravity. The other planets, asteroids, and comets also have their own gravitational pull, which creates a complex system of interactions that keeps everything in place. In conclusion, the Earth is not pulled into the Sun's gravity because of its motion, distance, and the complex interactions between all the objects in the solar system. It's amazing to think about how everything in our solar system works together to create a stable environment for us to live in. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.